How much should you actually spend on a cordless mini circular saw? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1: WRKPRO Power Mini Saw. The WRKPRO 20V cordless mini circular saw caught my attention right away. Priced at $105.99, it's positioned as a solid mid-range option. If you want a powerful saw that's easy to handle, this is worth a serious look. Its adjustable cutting depth of 111/16 at 90 degrees and 118 at 45 degrees means you can tackle various woodworking projects without a hitch. Plus, it comes with a laser guide and parallel guides, ensuring your cuts are precise every time. With 580 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its versatility. Now, some people complained about the weight, saying it feels a bit heavy for extended use. Here's the thing though, at 4.36 pounds, it's still manageable for most DIY projects, and the power it packs makes up for any minor discomfort. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a reliable tool that doesn't tire you out easily. Skip this one if you need an ultralight saw, since it might not fit that bill. For the price, you're getting a lot of value here. Now, if the weight of the WRKPRO concerned you, the next one might be a better fit for lighter use. Product number 2: Galax Pro Compact Circular Saw. Next, we have the Galax Pro Mini Circular Saw, coming in at a budget-friendly $59.99. This caught my eye for its combination of features and affordability. If you want a basic yet effective saw, this is worth considering. The Galax Pro delivers a no-load speed of 3,400 RPM, which is pretty decent for lighter materials like wood and soft metals. Its maximum cutting depth matches the WRKPRO at 111/16 at 90 degrees, giving you flexibility for most home projects. Its laser guide helps keep your cuts on track, which is particularly useful for those who may not have a steady hand. With over 2,400 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, it's clearly popular among users looking for a reliable entry-level saw. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly making light cuts or occasional projects, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or just need something for occasional use. Skip this one if you plan on doing heavy-duty cutting regularly, as it might not hold up as well. For the price, it's certainly a good value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more power. Product number 3: Makita SH02R1 Circular Saw. Moving on, let's talk about the Makita SH02R1. Priced at $149, it's on the higher end but comes with some excellent features. If you want quality and performance, this one stands out. The Makita's built-in motor delivers 1,500 RPM, which is impressive for a 338 blade. The adjustable depth and tilting base for bevel cuts means you can get creative with your projects. It has a stellar rating of 4.7 stars from 1,500 reviews, indicating high customer satisfaction. However, some users mention that the smaller blade size limits its versatility compared to larger saws. Here's the thing though, if you mainly work with thinner materials, this saw is incredibly efficient and precise. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or serious DIYer who needs a reliable tool for precise cuts. Skip this one if you often work with thicker materials, as it may not be the best choice. It justifies its price with its performance. Now, if you're looking for something even more budget-friendly, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 4: X4 Mini Circular Saw. Now let's look at the X4 Mini Circular Saw, priced at just $59.89. This one really surprised me with what it brings to the table. If you need an affordable yet effective saw, this is definitely worth considering. This saw operates at 3,400 RPM and can handle cutting depths of 111/16 at 90 degrees and 118 at 45 degrees. It also comes with multiple saw blades for different materials, which is a great bonus for versatility. With a 4.5-star rating from 97 reviews, it seems to be well received by users looking for an inexpensive option. Some users did mention that the build quality feels a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something to use occasionally and aren't expecting professional-grade tools, this might just fit your needs perfectly. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want a functional tool. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty and long-lasting, as it may not withstand constant use. You get decent value for the price. Finally, if you are looking for a unique option, the last product on our list might surprise you. Product number 5, Teeno Cordless Angle Grinder. Last but not least, we have the Teeno Cordless Angle Grinder priced at $35.99. It's a bit different from the others but still serves a purpose. If you're looking for a multifunctional tool, this might be it. With a powerful 16.8V system and a speed of 19,500 RPM, it's designed for light-duty tasks like cutting and grinding. It's lightweight and easy to control, which is a big plus for those tight spaces. It has a decent rating of 4.2 stars from 229 reviews. However, some users mentioned it may not be powerful enough for heavy-duty tasks. Here's the thing though, if you're planning to use it for small, everyday projects, it handles those tasks quite well. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile tool for light-duty tasks. Skip this one if you need something strictly for heavy-duty cutting, as it might not deliver the power you require. For its price, it's a solid addition to your toolkit. So there you have it. The Workpro offers power, the Galax Pro is budget-friendly, the Makita is all about quality, the X4 is a great low-cost option, and the Teeno brings versatility. Each has its strengths, so think about what you need most. Happy cutting!